Welcome to Baiyun Brakes Smart Factory. Baiyun Group developed the world-leading automatic brake pad line. The entire pressing process runs without any human labor. From mold cleaning to material loading, spreading, steel plate placement, and forming, to final transfer, all fully automated. Every step is controlled by smart systems. No mistakes, no manual work. Only stable, consistent, and efficient output. Each Baiyun pad meets strict quality standards. Smarter production, better performance. Baiyun Brake, trusted worldwide since 1977.